Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Saurabh Pawar. Today video topic is drug target and cell receptors. Drug targets are the specific molecule or biological structure in the body that can be modified or influenced by the drugs to treat various diseases or conditions. These targets play a crucial role in development of pharmaceuticals. Here are some key points about drug targets. Types of drug target. Drug targets can be proteins, for example enzymes, receptors, ion channels. Nucleic acid, for example DNA, RNA, or the biomolecules involved in the disease processes. Importance of specificity. Drug target should be highly specific to the disease or condition being treated to minimize side effects and the maximize therapeutic efficacy. Drug target interactions. The drug can be interact with their target through various mechanisms including binding, activation, inhibition, or modulation of their activity. Next one is a drug discovery process. Identifying and validating drug targets is critical step in drug discovery. Researchers use techniques like genomics, proteomics, and high throughput screening to identify potential targets. The examples of drug targets are well-known drug targets includes G protein coupled receptors for various diseases such as beta blockers for hypertension and kinases for cancer therapy. Next one is a personalized medicine. Advances in genetics and genomics have led to development of personalized medicine where treatment are tailored to individual specific genetic makeup of the characteristic of their disease. Next one are the challenges. Finding a suitable drug targets can be challenging and not all potential targets results in the successful drug development. Additionally, drug resistance and off-target effects can complicate treatment. In summary, drug targets are specific molecule or structures that drug interacts with the treat diseases and they are fundamental part of drug discovery and development. Next one is the cell receptors. Cell receptors are specialized molecules found on the surface of within the cell that play a crucial role in the cell communication and signal transduction. Here are brief overview of cell receptor. The function of cell receptor is responsible for recognizing and binding to specific signaling molecules such as hormones, neurotransmitters, growth factors, and other ligands. Let's talk about the types of the cell receptor. First one is the cell surface receptors. These receptors are located on the cell membrane and transmit signals from the extracellular environment into the cell. They include G protein coupled receptor. These are the largest family of cell surface receptors and are involved in a wide range of cellular responses. Next one is a receptor tyrosine kinase, RTKs. They are involved in the cell growth, differentiation, proliferation. Next one is the ion channel receptors. These receptors regulate the flow of ions across the cell membrane, influencing electrical activity and signaling. Next one is the intracellular receptors. These receptors are located within the cell, typically in the cytoplasm or a nucleus, and involved in the regulation of gene expression. Examples includes nuclear hormone receptors. Next one is a signal transduction. When a ligand binds with its specific receptor, it initiates a series of intracellular events known as signal transduction, which can lead to various cellular responses. This can involve the activation of intracellular pathways, gene expression changes, or alteration in cell function. Next is the specificity. Cell receptors exhibit high specificity for their ligands, ensuring that the correct signals are transmitted to appropriate target cells. Next one are the importance of cell receptors. Cell receptors are essential for coordinating various physiological processes including growth, development, immune response, and homeostasis. Dysregulation or mutation in receptors can lead to diseases and disorders. Next are the drug targets. Many pharmaceutical drug target cell receptor to modulate cellular response. For example, beta blockers target adrenergic regulators to regulate heart rate and blood pressure, and serotonin reuptake inhibitors target serotonin receptors in the treatment of depression. In summary, cell receptors are a key players in cell signaling, allowing the cells to respond their environment and coordinate various biological processes. They come in different types and vital for normal cellular functions and development of targeted therapies in medicine. That's about the drug target and cell receptor. Thank you.